Hi, I'm Dr. Charles Regalado. I'm a full faculty instructor at the Bioclear Learning Center and have a private practice in Spokane, Washington. Now, by now you've learned something about the 5 pillars of the Bioclear Method. Now, each of the 5 pillars are unique and important, and skipping one step just wouldn't be the complete Bioclear Method. The Bioclear Rockstar Polish is the 5th and final component of the Bioclear Method. You can create lifelike specular highlights, and when used correctly, will create a lasting, smooth surface and shine that is similar to porcelain. Now, the Rockstar Polishing Kit comes with a large tub of Bioclear Magic Mix. You also get 100 the pre-polisher rubber cups to use with the paste, and then finally 10 diamond impregnated Rockstar polishers. Now, my favorite part about the Rockstar Polish is the reaction of the patient once they see the shine and feel how smooth the surface is. This makes them extremely happy and eager to smile. Now, we have trained hundreds of dentists to do this, and what we hear from them is that this is the best polish they've ever seen and that they never thought composite could polish this nicely. Here's how you Rockstar polish. We use the 3M Softflex coarse disc, which by now has worn sufficiently to create a matte finish with minimal scratches. Place a good amount of the Magic Mix pre-polishing paste near the restoration and pick some up with the rubber cup. Begin slowly so you don't lose the paste, and begin to run the cup over the surface of the composite. You'll note that the cup will flex at the edges. The Magic Mix has several grit sizes of pumice in a glycerin base. Every few seconds, refill the cup with more paste. The larger grits of the paste will smooth out sharp areas and remove excess resin at the gingival margins. Once you have passed over the surface a few times, stop picking up any more Magic Mix and allow the medium and fine grit sizes to further smooth the surface. With a forceful rinse, remove all excess Magic Mix. Floss can be used to remove any pieces of pumice that are stuck in that contact area. After this stage, the composite should have an even satin finish. Now use the Rockstar Polisher in a dry mode. Use the end of the cup to bring the whole surface to an initial shine, as your assistant blows air to prevent overheating. Remaining scratches can be smoothed out by using the side of the polisher with continuous light to medium pressure only. The last step is to run the cup with heavy pressure. That would be at 3 to 4 pounds per square inch. It's important that your assistant keeps a steady air-water spray when using this heavy pressure. The cup motion is different during this stage. Keep the cup in a constant contact using the end of the cup only, with a very slow and even movement. Be sure to press into the interproximal areas. Now stop. Dry the tooth and take a look. The tooth should be perfectly smooth with an incredible shine. Note that you can achieve wonderful specular highlights that really bring life to your restoration. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Please contact your local Bioclear rep or contact Bioclear directly for more information.